Hello students and welcome in today's video, and today we are going to look at vowel letters. Vowel letters. Remember, vowel letters, they help in pronouncing of words. Vowel letters help in pronouncing of English words. What do I mean by pronouncing? Pronouncing means speaking out words the way English words are pronounced, so they are helped with vowel letters. Also, vowel letters, they help to form sounds. They help to form sounds. Okay, there are 5 vowel letters. There are 5 vowel letters. And these are A, E, I, O, U. Once again, these vowel letters are A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, so sounds that are formed by the vowel letters are as follows. A makes sound A. A makes sound A. An example, cat. Cat. So A is from letter A. So A is pronounced as A, forming cat. E makes sound A. E makes sound A. So E is pronounced as A according to vowel letters. For example, sound egg. Egg. I makes sound Ye. I makes sound Ye. So I is pronounced as Ye according to vowel letters. For example, pink. Pink with I, E, pink. O makes sound O. O makes sound O. So O is pronounced as O according to vowel letters. An example, orange. Orange. U makes sound U. U makes sound U. So U is pronounced as U according to vowel letters. An example, U. U. Once again, so the vowel letters generally are pronounced as A, E, Y, O, U. A, E, Y, O, U. Remember, there are 5 vowel letters. Okay, that is it in this video. Bye bye. Wherever.